Jenny, what are you doing?
There's a cow! Apparently our neighbor's cow got out.
Oh. Come on, we gotta get going.
Holly will appreciate that I'm late because I'm feeding my baby sheep. You better not spray me. No, no, do not.
This season on Fixer to Fabulous.
We're taking on some of the most unique and challenging projects we've ever done.
An old lodge? How much work does it need?
A lot. What if we got a red London phone booth and then the door opens and you come into this hidden room?
I definitely want a catio.
A what?
Have you ever heard of a catio?
No, I haven't. Matt! Matt!
Whoa!
He's like letting out some anger.
Go, go, go!
Oh God, oh God, oh God!
Keep it going.
This is our St. Jude Marathon build.
All right, clock starts now. Go, 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 go!
We are here for a family that's gone through a whole lot tougher stuff than the 24 hours we're going through right now. We have 7 hours left to hit the 24. I don't know if we're gonna hit it. I honestly don't.
Devastation in northwest Arkansas as 7 tornadoes ripped through Benton County last night.
Oh my gosh. Everywhere you look.
Renovating the home was a want to, now we have to.
The thing that happens when tragedy like this occurs is that you just help one another.
We're gonna make this better than it was before.
Oh
My gosh.
Welcome home!
Oh, wow. You have a real speakeasy.
Oh my goodness!
Thanks for letting us be a part of this.
This was all worth it.
This is the new start, a new healthy start.
These houses, it's tough to tell the difference from one house to the next. They all look like just heavy brick.
Like these were all built like early 2000s, maybe?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Hi, I'm Jenny.
I'm
Hi.
Sarah. Nice to meet
There, I'm Dave.
Hi,
Nice to meet you.
Should we go outside first?
Sure.
And then I just walked right in. This house is so pretty. This is a great neighborhood, too.
It is.
Wonderful.
What are we doing here?
Well, there's a lot of things we like about this house.
Okay.
But it's 20 years old. There are a lot of things that really, I think, need to be improved.
Matt and I met in the military 22 years ago. As a military family, we have moved around quite a bit every 2 years for a little while. Our home buying adventures often had to be wrapped up in about 48 hours. So we had to settle. In fact, this home wasn't my first choice, but I'm really ready to turn it into the home that I know it can be.
The home is really overwhelming right now with so many different features. We thought maybe we'd want to move, but this home is very important to us. It was the last home Hannah was in.
Our daughter, Hannah, she passed away in 2020. I still feel very close to her here. And so because of that, leaving this house, I feel like, especially now, would be hard. I feel like I would be leaving a part of Hannah behind if we did that.
So rather than trying to find another place somewhere else, we are really looking forward to the changes this renovation is going to make, a place that we'll be happy to come home to for the next 20, 30 years.
So I noticed when driving around, the neighborhood obviously has a very consistent look. There's a lot of brick.
I love the look of painted brick.
A different color would be great,
Okay.
whether or not it be solid painted or just a distressed look.
Okay.
You know, something that makes it pop a little bit.
Okay, so would you like a German schmear? It's a thin layer of mortar that will make this house really stand out in the neighborhood. It's just a way to brighten the brick up. You're not painting it, you're just kind of giving it a fresh new look.
Be great.
I'm assuming you want to update the lighting.
Yep.
The garage door will paint as well for sure.
The front door, nice, but probably would be freshed up.
Yeah. So outside, definitely want to do something with the front door, potentially replace it, maybe paint it. Paint the garage door. We want to replace the lighting, and then the brick, we'll German schmear it, because it could really brighten and freshen up this exterior.
Be perfect.
Something.
Should we go in?
Let's go see.
Don't have to.
Oh, wow, look at this. That's a lot of brick.
Yep, a lot of brick.
You know, a wall of brick, nice, but it's too much of a good thing.
This,
I like this. I mean,
I don't love this.
this is a lot.
It's really dominant.
Yeah,
It is. It's super heavy. A Roman column. I feel like there's going to be an aqueduct running across the top of this.
Okay, so in here, what are you thinking?
We have a tremendous amount of drop soffits. They're everywhere. We call them ledges.
Ledges.
These aren't structural. Those features people really loved in the early 2000s.
They just collect dust. Nobody needs that. All right, so we definitely want to get rid of those, but I love all of these family photos.
These are all our relatives that we honor and that we keep still close to us.
I love this because so many families don't remember their past, and so for you to honor it, I love that.
What about flooring?
I would like to see the same flooring throughout.
Okay.
Okay.
So the plan for the dining room, first of all, we'll have new flooring. We will keep this one brick wall for sure. We'll do something with this column, make it smaller, get rid of all the extra ledges, and this room, we'll freshen it up. Okay.
Be great.
So what's next?
Let's go towards the bedroom. This is our main bedroom.
This is interesting. You got a whole little nook back here.
And I'm just using it for that because
Yes.
I don't know what else to put here.
Okay. I'm just taking a lot in at the moment. I just need a second because I feel like I'm like in a cathedral. Like there's a lot of layers, a lot of trim.
It's a lot.
I hate to bring a ceiling down, but it's still really tall. So it's almost like just cover it up and make it flat.
I think it would clean it up a lot.
Yeah.
What do you think about the fireplace?
We love it, just not the look of it.
Yeah, I agree.
Is that your closet there?
That's one of the doors.
entrances.
Can I look?
You may.
Can I go in this way?
You
Oh,
may.
wow. Oh, it's big. It keeps going. Whoa.
It is.
Wow. Like you could almost bring the bathroom all the way over.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, you guys, the angles in here,
It's very busy.
like 4 different ledges. Wow.
And I
You got-
think it seems smaller than it is.
Because it's really tight in there. We need to redo this whole layout. Basically, the bathroom, closet, and little nook, we need to use this space better. You just lit up a little bit. I
Well,
wanna-
my dream would be
Go big.
to have a spa.
We would love to have a steam shower.
Okay.
And maybe even a sauna.
Love
yeah.
it.
Maybe even both.
So, plan for the main suite. First of all, we'll carry in the same flooring that we'll use throughout the house. Get rid of all the extra ledges. We will flatten out the ceiling, update the fireplace, we'll paint. And then we are going to reconfigure this whole space so that you have a walk-in closet and then a beautiful spa-inspired bathroom with a steam shower and a sauna.
That would be
Love it.
fantastic.
Let's go look at the kitchen.
Wow.
Okay.
Super in style 20-some years ago.
Right. What is this kitchen lacking?
We need really a functional island.
Okay.
I mean, this is just, it's too small.
Honestly, can we get rid of this whole wall and just have your big island here so you're connecting these two spaces better?
I would
Yes.
really like that.
Is this pantry?
It is.
Oh wow, the pantry's amazing.
Yeah, I would not miss
Yeah,
these
those
at
two
all.
right there.
Okay.
And then we could also straighten this wall up. That's another thing that's wasted is all the angles. You lose, functional space. So
Right.
I've also got Matt's mother's china that I love and we
wow.
use.
She bought it in the late 1970s. It was really, her prize. We lost her in 2022.
Sorry about that.
Now we use it.
I
We
love
use it a
that.
lot. We use it for our holidays. Our daughter had prom and we had a dinner here for her and her date.
that's it. Use
And-
the china.
Exactly.
Yes.
But we don't have the big china cabinet, but boy, we'd like a way to display that.
We can definitely do that. What about just overall feel?
And this is where we kind of debate a little bit.
Okay.
She really likes the coastal on this. I kind of like a farmhouse type look.
Oh,
You
coastal
could-
farmhouse?
Coastal
Yeah.
farmhouse.
Somewhere in the middle.
Somewhere in the middle.
I'm feeling a little bit like, whew, what am I gonna do here? Because this house is the farthest thing from coastal farmhouse you could even possibly ever imagine. It's much more like old world traditional. I gotta wrap my head around this one. It's gonna be interesting. There's gotta be farmhouses on the coast, right?
We spend a lot of time in the kitchen. We cook
Okay.
probably 6 nights a week. So
love
just
that.
something that really is functional.
Yeah.
Okay.
And pretty.
Okay.
So the plan for this kitchen is, first of all, we're gonna replace the flooring, consistent flooring throughout the house. We're gonna fill in the hole on the ceiling, open up this wall so that you have a nice island looking out into your living room, and then update all the cabinets, countertops, appliances, and give you a coastal farmhouse kitchen. And display the beautiful china.
Can't wait to see it.
Okay. I wanna go see the living room.
This fan, the beams, really cool.
Yes.
Yeah, watch your step.
There's a bit of a drop.
Oh, that's dangerous.
That has claimed many of our guests.
I bet we could raise the floor.
We would love that.
And this must be Hannah. Oh, I'm so sorry.
The worst thing that you can go through as a
Can't
parent.
imagine.
She had epilepsy, and so
Okay.
she went to sleep one night and never woke up. So
Oh, God.
So sorry.
I love to talk about Hannah. I love to say her name. We feel that she still visits us as a butterfly.
I love that.
She loved this house. She said it
did.
was the best one yet.
Oh,
I love
And
that.
she'd been
Military
through it,
family.
yes.
Yeah. So you can't ever leave.
No, no.
Well, that's beautiful.